Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you on how to link a table to a calendar in Notion. The first thing that you are going to do is you just have to log into your Notion account. So open any of your web browser. Okay, and then after that, you just have to log into your account. Okay, so after that, we are just going to create a new page right here. And I'm just going to name this one as dates. Okay, and then I'm just going to create a new database. Okay, and then after that you just have to add a properly named dates to add to your calendar. Okay, so I'm just going to add here a new property and then add here tag. Okay, and then right here I'm just going to add the date option. Okay, so I already have these options. So here I'm just going to put, like, for example, exam 1 and then exam 2. Okay, so after that, right here, just have to add now the dates. Now to create a calendar view, just have to create a new view. So we have that right here and then select the calendar view. Now, to link database and calendar, you just have to choose the links and relations options. So after that, you just have to link the column to an existing table by selecting it from the list. So you can also link the new calendar view to your database if you have relations established. So you can add links to other databases. For example, you can add links to a database with a calendar view. Now you've linked your calendar with your tables or database in Notion. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.